For nearly 3 decades, RealCare Baby has transformed parenting education, evolving from a simple crying simulator into a powerful, data-driven tool that teaches empathy, responsibility, and real-world caregiving skills. Generation 1 started in a garage in 1993. Inspired by a TV program on teen pregnancy, Rick Germain was challenged by his wife Mary to create the first infant simulator, an electronic baby that cried for attention and tracked crying time.
Set to work in the garage until he had an electronic device that cried at pre-programmed intervals with a motion detector to sense movement. Then Mary sewed it into the back of a baby doll.
You fed the baby by inserting a key and turning it.
And holding it, and holding it, and holding it.
And the key, of course, was handcuffed to the teen's wrist. This was a way to make sure that only the assigned teenager could take care of the baby.
The innovative infant simulator, then called Baby Think It Over, was an instant hit with parenting educators.
This was the beginning of experiential infant care education. The second generation introduced indicator lights and care keys. Students responded to cries using a speaker plug, and baby indicated when it was roughly handled or neglected. The Baby Think It Over logo also made its debut with this generation. With a focus on safe sleep, Generation 3 cried when placed in unsafe positions. It featured tamper-proof wristbands and magnetic care keys, reinforcing accountability and realism. Now available in multiple ethnicities, Generation 4 added digital readouts and improved grip on care keys. It came with a full parenting curriculum, expanding its role in the classroom. The realistic head support baby introduced lifelike neck movements to teach proper head support. A fourth indicator light tracked head handling, and positive reinforcement was added with a coo after successful care. RealCare Baby was a major leap forward from Baby Think It Over. Students now had to rock, burp, feed, and change diapers. Magnetic sensors made care more realistic, and a handheld control unit made programming easier. A separate printer was available to print simulation results. Wireless communication between baby and the control unit arrived with RealCare Baby 2. Students used wireless IDs, and USB connections made data transfer seamless. Additionally, the baby's body was redesigned for more lifelike movement. Rechargeable batteries powered RealCare Baby 2 Plus up to 5 days. Classroom-wide wireless communication and improved software made managing multiple babies easier than ever. It also came with new curricula focused on parenting, healthy choices, and infant care. RealCare Baby 3 could detect clothing and car seat use. Temperature sensing was added, and students learned about flathead syndrome as well as keeping babies safe and comfortable in different environmental conditions with updated curriculum lessons. RealCare Baby 4 is the smartest baby yet. Launched in July 2025, Baby 4 features Bluetooth software, a new student app, and new care experiences like playtime, loud noise exposure, and tummy time. It comes with updated curricula, a rattle, optional tummy time blanket accessory, and stylish new outfits in mauve and royal blue. RealCare Baby continues to shape the future, empowering students with empathy, accountability, and the skills they need to care, connect, and grow.